is made from ceramic, okay, metallic ceramic or glass, which help in maintain operate for the anode. Okay, so let us take a look into the anatomy of the cathode. Cathode is a negative charge. Okay, it's made up of a focusing cap here. So the focusing cap is a good. After that, we then apply a high voltage across the tube. So cathode is negative, anode is positive. The two potential accelerate electrons across the vacuum toward the anode. So now we got everything. We got electron, space charge, the voltage, the two voltage. So meaning that maximum kinetic energy of each electron can occur equals to the two voltage applied. Meaning that if you get okay, so now what's happening around the anode? So let's talk. Anode is divided into two different types. Mostly we have stationary anode where to be applied because that will lead to problems of the machine. So it's limited for low output procedures. Okay, the anode is very rotating. Okay, the anode is rotating, so the heat would be a local track is made from tungsten again. So it's made from tungsten, are made from most of them from copper. Okay, the root also from copper because steam, molybdenum, steam of the anode of the revolution per minute (RPM). So the barrier inside must tolerate the amount or the extreme amount of heat. Okay, so mostly as I mentioned, the area bombarded by the X-ray. Okay, the beam coming, the electron coming, bombarded area, tungsten happening around the anode. Exactly what's happening. So you know the anode, electron coming, okay, heating the area, and they heat the atom. So if the electron, at the electron coming, heating or bombarding this area of the tungsten, power of 8 will be converted to heat, and power of 8 will be converted to the basic of brainstorming is that when the electron comes, heat this area, you will know you get costume from either brainstorming, you must have costume from the excitator. Because radiation will only be produced if the applied kVp is above the kh to the key that we call alpha. Okay, it's alpha. So if the electrons comes from the outer m instead of L, so it passes through the L toward the K. So this is called K to the window. Sometimes some of the part of the window, as in such as a mammogram, but we use beryllium in the window to help with attenuation. Okay, by 3 methods mostly. So inside this vacuum, okay, the membrane have conduction around the anode, we have convection inside the oil. Okay, so remember these 3 important methods because they're very important. So convection always in the outside, not inside the vacuum housing. We have cathode, we have vacuum, free electrons, acceleration, we have anode to convert kinetic energy into heat atom tube to tissue.